Welcome to the installation guide for the Arnott rear left and right air spring designed for the Porsche Macan 95B. This video will walk you through the essential steps to ensure a successful installation. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by setting the steering to straight ahead. Then raise the vehicle and remove the applicable rear wheel. Next, remove the airline. Now, remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. To do this, remove the collet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. Compress the air spring and remove the lower spring guard. To finish the removal, remove the old air spring from the vehicle. Start the installation by pulling out the shipping pin on the new air spring. Tighten all nuts and bolts to vehicle manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Next, compress the air spring and install the new air spring into the vehicle. Reinstall the lower spring guard while doing so. Ensure the positioning pin seats into the hole in both the spring guard and lower arm of the vehicle. Now install the airline, pushing it inwards until it's fully seated. Then inflate the air spring. Please refer to the included air spring TSB for the proper air spring inflation procedure. Reinstall the applicable rear wheel and lower the vehicle. Great job! The installation is now complete. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the rear air springs of a Porsche Macan with Arnott parts. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.